G'day guys, Mark here and welcome back to the Iron Empire. Now in this episode, a heap of mechanical upgrades and a whole new look for the barn find auction XF Falcon.
Okay, so first up we got rid of these checker plate seat covers to reveal some pretty tidy seats. They obviously need a good clean up, but they're all intact and all there. After that, I got the car down to our friend Jim's workshop where he let me machine the brake rotors. I gave a rattle pack respray to the under wheel arches and I also replaced the front shocks.
Okay, so now I need to take care of this carby situation. It's got a factory Weber on it, but it's got a shock and flat spot and it drains back if I don't drive the car for a couple of days. So I'm gonna rip it off, go through it, and hopefully I can sort this thing out because I wanna get this thing drivable so I can throw Andrea the keys. She can take it when she wants to go cruising. So after a bunch of playing around with this carby, just toying with it back and forth, it just simply isn't working. I can't get it to, it's just running so rich. It's just like absolutely shoveling fuel into this thing, and yeah, I can't fix it. So we've now gone to plan B, and that is another carby. This is a earlier model, but it should still hopefully work. And this come off Andrea's F100, 6-cylinder cross-flow F100. So I'm gonna swap this over and then hope to Christ this works. That truck did run once, a long time ago. Cars. It's already better. It's already better. Oh, wow. Hell yeah. All right, I'm going to connect up this fuel, see if it runs longer. Let's just see if this runs and idles effortlessly. Wow. So the slightest little miss, but considering I've just thrown that on, I'm wrapped. I'm wrapped. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to put everything back on it and then move on with my life. Oh, let's run this thing through its paces. It's running perfect so far. Slightest little miss, but the car is still cold. This is already way better than this car has ever run. Oh man, I'm gonna be so pumped if this is problem solved. Oh. Yeah. Oh look, here you go guys. Sorry everyone. People picking on me for seatbelts. Oh yeah, sweet. The kickdown's not really working like it was before, which is kind of weird. Unless the linkage is in the wrong spot or something. I haven't changed the cable length, but anyway, good enough for me. I'm pumped. I can drive the thing again. It's mobile. Let's get on with our lives. Let's make this thing look good now. So tomorrow it gets dropped off to Shaun at FINELINE window tinting. He done the LTD for me. Come out absolutely mint. This XF being one window less, hopefully should be a little bit easier for him. But I'm going to try and speed up the process for him, make it a little bit easier, and try and get this old tint off. I have to be really careful. I don't want to scratch the glass, and I also don't want to ruin the demister in the back window. So I've got to be really careful when doing this. So I'll see how I go. If not, Shaun's job. Alright, so once I got the car down to Shaun's place, I gave him a hand to quickly pop off these door trims. made it much easier for him to get the tint done right up to the windowsill. And then unfortunately I wasn't there to record any of this because I dropped the car off and allowed him to do the job for the day. He sent me a bunch of photos showing the process, and yeah, as per usual, awesome job, super fussy. And although this is still a bit of a turd, this has just made this thing look so much better. So definitely consider FINELINE window tinting if you're in Adelaide. He is mobile, or you can take the car to him, and he also does houses. Alright, so maybe at this point you're wondering, why are you doing this? Why are you wasting your time on a heap of shit like this? Well, I don't know. Why am I like this? What's wrong with me? I know why we do it. Because we can. And you can too. Like, this sort of stuff is genuinely a good time. Playing with junk like this, it's so super low buck, and it is actually sometimes more rewarding than the big jobs. Like, sure, I could be working on the LTD or the Javelin or the VG or the Tirana or the Doom Sled, or, you know, anything really. Pretty much anything's better than this, but come on. Now, of course, it's going to take a hell of a lot more to make this thing look any good. We're not going to get through all that today. We may never get through it all. I mean, I even dabbled in selling it. If someone wants to take it off my hands at any point, you're welcome to do so. But until then, we're going to keep chipping away and make this thing look the goods. Now, what's up next? We're going to change up these wheels. They're just not cutting that. Alright, so now I throw these globes on. These are all 15x7 all the way around. This is a 235 60/15. The front is a 215, I believe. And these are going to set the car off. I want to throw these on with a 5mm spacer. Now this is everyone's chance to jump into the comments and tell me how dodgy I am. How illegal spacers are.
Won't somebody please think of the children?
Oh.
Think of the children. Won't somebody please think of the children?
Oh God, it's illegal. You're dodgy. Here's also your chance for those who actually have a clue and actually know what they're talking about. Jump in the comments below and tell me what vehicle actually ran these spacers from factory. Yes, that's right. For those who actually know what they're talking about, tell me in the comments what vehicle ran this wheel spacer from factory, and it only came with a particular wheel. So if you option this particular wheel, it would come with a wheel spacer. If you can identify what vehicle come from factory with these spacers, I'll send you a sticker pack. And to all the other keyboard mechanics out there that know everything, you can continue on telling me that my cars are dodgy and all that sort of stuff. So either way, the comments are good. It helps build the views. And anyway, let's get these wheels on. Guys, so as you'll see, the XF has now undertaken a full new look. The wheels and the tint totally set it off. I think it looks awesome. It's a whole new look for the car, really. I'm a bit bummed. I'm mucked up. I took these wheels and tyres down to the team at Bridgestone at Golden Grove. I didn't check the tyre size. Unfortunately, the front tyres are way too small. The profile is totally wrong and the front wheels look terrible. It's no good. I need to sort that out. But I can't complain too much because overall I'm super happy with the outcome of the car. The thing is driving so much better now since I've overhauled the brakes, done the shocks, put the new carby on. It's driving sick. I'm super pumped with how these things come out. Overall look of the car, amazing. May not be your cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea. It's Andy's cup of tea, and for us, that's all that matters. Now that's going to be a wrap on this time round. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. If I don't see you beforehand, have a safe New Year, and I will see you all in 2023. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the online store. I've updated. I have some Hurst Shift tees now in stock, and plenty of OG tees too. I'll see you all soon. Cheers, guys.